Hi, today I want to show you how I normally edit my AI video. I'm using DaVinci Resolve and this is the version 20. As we all know, when we generate AI video, they are only a few seconds long. Sometimes we wish it's a little bit longer. Let me show you this 5 seconds video first. So it's not much happening. Let me mute the audio track for the moment. And if I want to make it a little bit longer, I can go right click on that and select the change speed here. And here it's 100%. I can change it to 80, for example, and make it a little bit longer. So I can drag it. Now you can see there are 7 seconds. And the good thing is you won't notice very much here in the video. That's okay. But this is not what I want to show you. I want to show you the retime control. I like it very much. Let's undo it for the moment. Now I'm going to right click on that and go up here. You can see there's a retime control. As soon as I click on it, you can see now there are some dots here. Let's make it a little larger here. And for example, if I want to, at the beginning here, the guy is showing a sign. I want the viewer to have enough time to read the sign, so I want to slow down this part here. And now just click on this arrow here and add a speed point. So now you can see there's a speed point here. I moved it here. And if I want to slow down the first part, I just drag this here over. You can see it's reducing the first part here. This one is going slower. This one remain unchanged. So if I run it, so the first part stay a little bit longer, while this part still 100%. It's nothing changed. Now let's say I want to add a music track here. So let's drag and drop the music track here. Just move the track over here. Let's see. Okay, at the moment the movement seems to be too fast. It's not on the beat. So let me make this a little bit lower. Okay. I can adjust the motion here by dragging this here. So if I drag this over, now you can see the percentage here is changing. I can slow down a little bit like that here and drag the music a little bit. Still a little bit fast. Let me drag a little bit more. So you can see, let me zoom this back out here. Now you can see it syncs with the music. So what I want to show you is with the retime control, I can control the speed. I can assign 2 speed within a single clip here. You can see there's a 78% here. Here is 84. And this is really nice feature, especially using on AI video. When I generate a AI video, if I say make a man dancing, so without the music, afterward I have to sing it with the music, then I can sing it with this here. I really love the retime feature. It's very useful for AI video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye. There are more
more videos to watch. Or you can subscribe and we'll never miss a future video.